What is artificial intelligence? Is it a magic? Is it luck? No, it's not a magic. It's not luck. Let me show you something. You wake up in the morning, your alarm rings at a perfect time. You check your phone, it is already knows the traffic on your road. You open YouTube and somehow it suggests the exact video you were just thinking about. It almost feels like your phone understands you, right? But here is a twist. That's the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence (RAI) is the technology that allows machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. When you when Google Maps suggests a faster route, that's AI. When YouTube recommends videos, that's AI too. And this is just beginning. Welcome to RK Future Tech, where we explore the future one simple story at a time. Thank you.